Now we are adding one more homie to the squad.
Name's June.
June. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. I'm doing. How's everything?
Oh!
Gangnam is like the trendiest and richest place in Seoul.
Wow!
Say what up?
Yeah, yeah, what up, what up?
Hey.
And I lost my voice. And Truman lost his virginity.
Of what? Okay, so it's a rainy day here in Tokyo today. We're going to Shinjuku, maybe do a little bit of shopping, get some food, find some Pokemon stuff, you know, I don't know, we'll see where the day takes us, but we're gonna keep the camera in the bag for photos, video with the GoPro, so let's go get it. So, the difference between Japan and Korea is the Korean rail system is a lot cheaper, but I mean, it's all good. We were gonna get the JR Rail Pass. Turns out that we had to buy that like a week before we left and we were a little too late, but it's fine. I mean, right now this train ride is how long, Kens?
30 minutes maybe?
It's a 30-minute train ride and it's gonna cost us like $1.50. So, not bad. But yeah, so. Let's see. 20. So, now you just take this thing, put it in over, I'll show you. Let's, you get the ticket back, and then once we get to the end of the line and we put it in, then it just eats the ticket, so. Sometimes you get lucky, there's nobody on. Other times, they're packed like sardines. This is a little bit of like a middle ground. It's not like too busy right now. Kenz, you look sick. You got the fog. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Smoke some of that gongcha. Can't be in the video.
Cut that, cut that. Dang. Wait, hold this. Get a shot of me walking. It says poo on that sign over there. Get honked at.
So they're honking at that car.
Oh yeah. We're out here. I think Sukiya's got to be one of my favorite spots just because... Sukiya. Just because of, one, this is like $5. Really good. Pretty simple. Pretty dank. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Truman and Ken's put an egg in theirs. I'm a little bit too much of a wimp to do it, so instead, got the strawberry ice cream. Very good though. Cool. Do I say cool again? Sugoi. Sugoi. Or if you want to say tasty, it's oishi. What about I like it? Oh, you can just say daisuki if you're not saying it to anybody else. Dosu desu. What? Dosu desu? Desu? Daisuki. Okay, so we're just wrapping up our meal. It's really good.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it was pretty good, but now we're going to get some boba tea for Ken's. I don't know, Ken's, is that good?
Yeah. Let's get it. What'd you get?
Taro? Taro? I don't know what they say in English, but it's my favorite.
What do you think it tastes like?
Your whole body shook like you just like drank a parasite.
What does it taste like?
Kind of tastes like lavender. Like a Bath and Body Works candle.
So you don't like it?
That's good.
Mike,
I need to take
have
a
you tried
bubble
this
bath
flavor,
now.
Mike?
No. Oh. It's really, I like it. I think it's good.
My favorite flavor.
Very nice.
Alright, so the park is over this way. So it's a little rainy out, but we got the umbrellas, we got the rain jackets. We're gonna make the most of it. We don't really know what to expect out of this park. I've never been there. I don't know if Ken's been there.
Oh yeah, 2 years ago. Pretty big.
All right. What's the Japanese word for beautiful?
Kirei.
Kirei? What's the Japanese, like, what's the Japanese word for the park?
Gyoen.
Gyoen?
Gyoen.
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 So would I say Kirei Gyoen?
Well, you have to put a na in there. So you say Kirei na Gyoen. That means the beautiful park.
Kirei na wait.
Gyoen.
Gyoen?
Gyoen. Gyoen.
Gyoen. Kirei na Gyoen.
Close.
Wait, say Gyoen again. Gyoen?
Gyoen.
Gyoen.
Perfect.
Kirei na Gyoen.
Yeah.
Ah, kirei na Gyoen. Alright, you're good.
So this lake is one of the things I remember from last time. You can see the cherry blossoms across the way over there. Yeah. And then I think those are willow trees that are like hanging down like that. Yeah. But I just love the wood architecture around this little lake. You can see some fog drifting across the lake if you look closely. Yeah. It's just like a really beautiful spot. Great place for what Mike calls Kaizen, which is all about self-growth and improvement. So this is one of my favorite spots.
So you mean to tell me that this is the place to get a kendama clip?
It might be.
Kaizen. Okay, let's do it. Kirei.
Yeah. Kirei desu.
Kirei desu. Okay, so we couldn't hang with the cold fingers, so we all got gloves.
Except Ken's got gardening gloves.
Ken's accidentally got gardening gloves. Can you guess how much the gloves were? I'll give you a second. Okay, they were 84 cents, so super sick. So, what's this area? What's this called, Ken's?
The Golden Guy.
And what's,
It's just another famous shrine.
okay.
It's
beautiful.
This one's known to be really beautiful.
Grab the wood.
Go back. And clap 2 times. Do a bow. And then you say a little prayer thanking your ancestors in your head. And then you think of something that you want. Bow again. And I think you shake it again. But yeah, shake it again. Go back. And then back.
Slow it down, keep it real. We collide for the night. I'll be here in paradise in your eyes. But I'm not yours and you're not mine. You say you never wanna go. If you run, you know you're wrong.
I think it's really cool how the buildings like fade into the rain clouds.
So we're here we're walking to an observatory right now. It's going to be looking over all of Shinjuku.
Yeah, Shinjuku.
Yeah, so should be pretty cool. It's kind of a far walk and it's getting really cold, so hopefully it's gonna be.
There's a sign over here.
Alright, we're doing a little home cooking here. This is one of our last nights here, but we're gonna be doing some noodles and some pot stickers. I don't know what the term is in Japanese.
Guess how much the gyoza was for this. Gyoza.
Gyoza.
It's like $1.
And we got these, the noodles. We're gonna be throwing an egg or 2 in there. Not on Mike, so he doesn't like it. And then we got some broccoli, the nutrition. Then we got some of these guys, these chocolate little cake things. I've never had them, but apparently they're really good. We got these things too. There's all kinds of Japanese candy. Should be a really good meal.
Why are there little stickers on them?
You did good, kid.
You know that orange yolk signifies a good, healthy egg. Right? Yeah. It's a fact.
Let's try some of the
Farmer
noodle.
boy himself, like, really break it off means it's just more common for these.
Ending it with some Some choco pies. Hold that for a sec. These ones are a little smaller than normal. It's like the size of an Oreo. Probably the exact size of an Oreo. Sugoi. Speedes!
Wow.
Really close.